This is the story of a promise, a pact written not in parchment, but in the stars themselves. Welcome to the Galactic Bible Stories. In this episode of Chronicles of the Cosmos, the Galactic Covenant, we journey back to a time when civilizations, scattered across the galaxy, faced ultimate annihilation. Our guide? Seraphine, the warrior angel who traverses dimensions to recount the echoes of faith among the stars. Today, she recalls an age-old story reimagined in the celestial expanse. Imagine a cataclysm, not of rain and flooding seas, but a cosmic storm. A relentless surge of energy waves threatening every known star system. Outposts, planets and space stations alike braced for the annihilation of the galaxy's bordering civilizations. The Supreme Creator, watching over his scattered children, sought one individual, a beacon of faith amidst an ocean of despair. Meet Noah Thalor, an advanced engineer and possessive of an unshakable trust in the Creator's plan. A resident of Nebula 27, one of the last living colonies close to the edge of the storm, Noah was tasked with an unthinkable challenge. One night, Seraphine appeared to him, her radiance illuminating his starship's cockpit, delivering the Creator's message. "Noah," she said, her voice a perfect melody resonating across the metal and glass. "Build the Ark V2, an interstellar bioship capable of carrying the genetic seeds of creation and the chosen creatures from each remaining planetary system. These must survive, for the storm shall pass, and life must rise once more." Doubt tugged at Noah's thoughts. How could one bioship possibly house so much life? Civilizations across the spheres mocked him, treating his mission like the ramblings of an eccentric zealot. Yet, guided by blueprints whispered into his dreams and the Creator's unyielding light, Noah pressed on. The Ark V2 was no ordinary vessel. Massive in scope and powered by a rare fusion crystal capable of counteracting the storm's energy, its chambers housed stasis pods for each species. Men, women, animals, plants, each entity sealed safely within a cosmic sanctuary. As the storm grew closer, its energy waves swallowing star after star, Noah found himself alone in the final assembly phases. Yet, his faith never faltered. At one critical moment, with supplies dwindling and time escaping him, Seraphine materialized once again, her golden wings spreading a divine light through his hangar. "The Creator has seen your toil, Noah," she proclaimed. "Be strong, for your labor is almost over. Soon, the Ark V2 shall ascend and fulfill its divine destiny." When the storm finally struck, the Ark V2 launched into the void, carrying the hope of countless galaxies within its titanium shell. All but Noah and his family were swept into the storm, a loss immense, yet necessary. Upon the storm's passing, the Ark descended upon Epsilon Prime, a lush world unspoiled by the storm. As Noah's family and the surviving life forms emerged, Seraphine appeared one last time, placing a vibrant technicolor nebula in the sky. "This," she said, her voice echoing with finality, "is the symbol of the Galactic Covenant. Never again will such destruction take place. The Creator's promise is rooted here among the stars,